Hello, and welcome to Curriculum and Instruction Services Canvas Training Series. In this video, we're going to discuss announcements and how to send it out to your course students. From your course home screen, you're going to select the Announcements tab. Okay, this will take you to this screen where you can click plus announcement. Now, announcements can be utilized in a lot of different ways. They can be sent out as pieces of information, upcoming events. If you're looking at it through the lens of a classroom or a course, I like to think announcements are great tools for daily agendas. So that's what I'm going to start with. So let's take today's date, which is August 18th. Okay, 2021. Okay. Now, they put the title in. Down here is where you can enter in your text. You can insert links. You can add video. You can add audio files. There's lots of things you can do with this. You can connect to Google Docs, Microsoft Docs. So lots of different options here. So for me, it's just a simple one. So let's put like today's agenda. Okay, so fill out this form. Okay. I'm going to show you how to link that. Let's say number 2, read pages 54. Just a simple scenario here. Okay. And if you had assignments in Canvas, you can link those assignments here. Okay. So just a quick little agenda here. Now, if you wanted to take your agenda and link it so that the idea is to put everything in one place, right? So any links, anything that you want the people in your class to do that day, maybe it's a link to another website, maybe it's a link to a YouTube video. In this instance, we're going to link to this form here. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm in Google Forms. I'm going to click the send button here. Okay, and I'm going to get this link. I like to shorten it just so I'm not using such a huge link. So when I copy this link, all I have to do is go to my announcement, and then I can highlight the text, go to Insert, under Link, we're going to do External Link. Okay, and then I'm going to paste the link to the Google form right here. Okay, and there you go. Now let's change this to a discussion that we already created. So I created a discussion in an earlier video. So let's link to that discussion here in the agenda. All I have to do is highlight the discussion, the word discussion, go over here to Insert. Now, because I've already created this in this particular course, all I have to do is go down to Course Links. I'm going to go down here to Announcements. Okay, I'm sorry, not Announcements. Discussions. There's the discussion I created. I'm just going to click on it and notice how it's already linked. Okay. Okay, so moving on, if you wanted to add a video, you can. But I'm going to scroll down here. If your course has multiple sections, you can designate which section you want this announcement to go to. If you have a file on your computer that you want to upload, okay, you can do that here. And then down here, this allows you to send the post at let's say you create it at 10 o'clock one night, you want to send it at 8 o'clock the next day, you can do that. All right. Allow users to comment. So people can comment on this announcement if you wanted to, and you can enable the podcast feed for that and allow liking. All right. When you're done, you click Save. And this is what my form looks like. Now, if I go here, one thing, I noticed that announcements, I just want to double check in my settings. I don't know if announcements will show in the student view. All right, so Let's take a look at this from the student perspective. When we open up the student view of my course, what are they going to do? All right. As you'll notice under the to-do list, there's my announcement right here, and there's a little icon for it. So they can click here, or they can click on announcements. Okay. And there's the announcement. So let's open this up. And as you can see, if I click on it, it'll take them to the Google form. If I click on the discussion, it takes them to the course discussion that I created earlier. Okay. And that is how to create announcements in Canvas. All right. So thank you very much, and we will see you on the next one.